Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the chain tensioner screw on a Husqvarna chainsaw. It should be the same with any chainsaw that has a tensioner screw. So if for some reason you've lost it when you're out cutting wood, your chain comes off, you don't know how to tighten it anymore because the screw's gone, this video will help you out. So here we go, we've got a screw. I've opened this because it comes in this little tiny bag, and once you have your hands kind of greasy, it's really tough to get that open. So it comes with three things right here. A little guard, it looks like a little top, but that's what the screw goes into, and then the screw. And so you can buy that on Amazon. There's like a 3-pack for 10 bucks or something. So at first glance, you can see the diameter of this screw is very large, and this is like a little pinhole. So it doesn't go in. It's very, very impossible to get this piece all the way up here where it belongs. So here's your $1,000 tip. I got a little trick for you to be able to do that, because if you don't, what's going to happen is this screw is going to move all over the place inside here like that. And that's not ideal. You definitely do not want that moving. So what you're going to do is take this piece and set it in the back right there. Make sure it's upright, just like that. Set it in there. Then take your screw, push it all the way down, and line it up so that you can get that in there. All right, I'm going to use two hands. Put your screw in there and push. And so then what happens now is you just push that on. All right, you can see that it's on there. Then take this little piece that the screw goes into and set it back there as well. Set it back there just like that. So you got that lined up. And then you can get a screwdriver and start twisting that screw ever so carefully to keep all those parts aligned. And what's going to happen now is you're hopefully going to force that piece of plastic all the way up on the screw. So watch this now. We're going to screw it. You're going to want to screw it all the way up here to get that plastic up here. You can see this screw is a little bit too long, but that's all they had. So now we're going to screw this all the way up, and then you can loosen it to have the tensioner piece where it needs to be. So here we go. While I work on this, I want to let you guys know that we have channel membership options available. If you want to support the work we do here at How To Video Channel, you can become a recurring monthly donor, or you can make a one-time donation to support what we are doing here at How To Video Channel. Thank you for your consideration. All right, so you can see here we've put the screw in. We have our little plastic piece way up here, and we have our adjuster right there in the middle where it needs to be. If you really wanted, you can try to use a screwdriver and push that plastic piece ever so carefully so you don't break it in half, up a little further. And what this is going to do is it helps this screw so that it doesn't fall out. You can see the screw's not going to come out now. And that is it. That is how to replace the chain tensioner screw on a Husqvarna chainsaw. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, hit that like button, that bell icon, and that subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.